Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about Upwork earning process. So let's go to reports, and after that just click overview. Now here you can see these are 4 sections for the funds clearance process on Upwork. So for example, when a client hires you for a project, then that will be work in progress. And after that, when you will submit or deliver your project, then your client will review. Here you can see for the hourly projects, client have 5 days to review your work diary, and for the fixed price projects, client have 14 days to accept or reject. Now after that period, earning will be in the pending section. Here you can see for the hourly payments that will be cleared on the Wednesday, and the next for the fixed price that will have 5 days for the security period. Then after that, this is the last and final section. In this section your funds will be cleared and available to withdraw. So these are the 4 earning stages on Upwork platform.